Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB using only command prompt in Windows. No additional tools are needed, so let's get started. Plug in a USB drive. In the search bar, type CMD. Right-click and run it as administrator. In command prompt, type diskpart, one word, and press the return key. Next, type list disk. You'll see a list of all the available disks. Make note of your USB drive. In my case, it's 32 GB and listed as disk 1. It's very important to select the correct disk, so double-check before proceeding. Type select disk 1, or whichever number your USB drive is, and press enter. Now type clean and press enter. This will wipe the USB drive. Next, type create partition primary and press enter. This will create a primary partition on the USB drive. Then type select partition 1 and press enter. Now, format the drive. Type format fs equals ntfs label equals boot disk quick. Replace boot disk with any name you prefer. Press enter to start formatting. Once the format is complete, type active and press enter. Now your USB drive is formatted and marked as active and bootable. You can now copy your Windows installation files onto the USB. Once that's done, your bootable USB is ready to use for installing Windows. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.